Video doesn't have to be hard. Let's talk about why you need video in your marketing and how to make it brain dead simple. So, daily video posts are really powerful. I know a guy I just met recently who's got hundreds of thousands of followers. And his secret, he posted on LinkedIn every day for a year. And he's in the tech space, so it's not like, this is a huge kind of audience. So posting video daily can really make a big difference. And do you have to use video? Kind of like the old joke says, no, only if you want to grow and only if you want to build know, like, and trust with your audience. People getting to know you, like you, and trust you. Video is a great way to do that. So are you feeling intimidated about video? Maybe you've got some of the reasons why people say it's so hard. And believe me, I've been there. I understand the problem. You feel like it's too complicated. Your hair looks terrible. You don't have the right equipment. Stop. It's really simple. Let's take a look at how to do that. There's really three things. Number one, be consistent. Be casual. In other words, just use, like what I'm using right here is just a real basic ScreenFlow presentation. Or you can use your iPhone or your Android camera or phone. Script it in advance. Now, you don't need to memorize everything in advance. You don't necessarily need to have one of those teleprompters. But if you at least script out a framework in advance, it really helps to put something together that's going to be effective and that you'll enjoy doing. Some frameworks for scripting your video are story, lesson, offer, or kind of a similar one is a hook, lesson, and an offer. So you noticed I started out this video by emphatically saying that video doesn't have to be hard. So my guess is that may have hooked you in, and that's the idea. So for more on scripting, there's a link below, and I appreciate your watching this. If you liked it, smash the like button, hit subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. See how easy that was? Now how do I stop this thing?